our jungle journey. Do you know what? We're further along the Daintree. This is kind of, I think we're just beyond where the salt water and the fresh water meet. A lot of crocs down that way. And this is, we're getting into the fresh water part of the Daintree up here. And can you hear that? Well, there's a distant motor vehicle, but beyond that, it's so peaceful. We're just loving it. It's so great to be able to capture a bit of this on camera and share it with you. Why am I talking so quietly? I don't know. It just makes you want to talk quietly because it's so serene here. Is that a cassowary? Oh, friends, look at that gorgeous little frog. Fantastic green colour with almost a brilliant lemon yellow around the top of his noggin.
I can't believe you even saw that. It looks like a leaf.
Old eagle eyes.
Eagle eyes. Amazing.
I don't want to grab him because I don't want to freak him out, but he's just beautiful, isn't he?
Yeah.
I'll see if I can get him to hop for you.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
Come on, mate. Oh, he's very good. Isn't he something? Friends, this jungle journey, each and every day just brings a new wonderful thing to celebrate. If I had one complaint, it's this. I have sore trapezius and neck muscles. You know why? Because I'm constantly looking at something breathtakingly amazing. Lots of cassowaries on that side of the creek. And they're a bit towy at the moment, we've been told, because it's, you know, it's spring. You know what I'm talking about, birds and the bees. And cassowaries get very horny.
There he is. He's swimming. Oh, happy as Larry. Look at that. Just before we reach the Cassowary Falls. And there he is.
Bit like me swimming.
Here we are, the Cassowary Falls. And who is that? There he is. And he's doing it.
Journey to the jungle. I'm swimming with the fishes. Isn't that what the gangsters say in those gangster movies?
Right, that they're swimming with the fishes. Can you
We're
see?
going to make this guy swim with the fishes.
Oh yeah, and boy, are there fishes here. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Energy, the energy from that waterfall
Yeah, I can imagine. I didn't get close enough.
standing behind the wall of water.
Yeah.
The energy is just amazing. You can only imagine what those adventurous knuckleheads who went over Niagara Falls in barrels back in the day, what they must have been subjected to. I don't know how many survived, how many didn't. I survived my dive from the waterfall, and it was just a wonderful thing to do. Oh, Vanessa and Craig's jungle journey.
That's right. Rock the rock, let it rock. Roll, roll, let it roll. Beat the beat, let it rock. Soothe my soul. Rock the rock, let it rock. Roll, roll.
Well, what a wonderful morning. Vanessa and Craig's journey to the jungle. Our new friend Andy, who owns a property up here in the Daintree, took us to what is locally known as Cassowary Falls. We've had a swim right at the base of the waterfall itself, which was just a wonderful thing to do. And as you can see, I mean, this really is like something from, you know, your favourite book as a kid or your favourite Hollywood movie. You almost expect, don't you? Maybe King Kong might appear over there, or perhaps it's the Predator. We've all got to get to the chopper. Either way, we're having a great time, and it's lovely to share this with you. Let's go along here a bit further and we'll see what else we can find.